Nothing Ear and Ear A officially launched today. It's a significant release for a couple of reasons. First, the nomenclature has changed. Gone is the Ear 1, 2, instead of a 3 model we just get Ear. And second, this is the first time Nothing has released a more affordable model in the A. Nothing Ear O will also debut a new color variant that evokes a certain yellow handheld. Both earbuds will include the same clear, square case as earlier models. Both sets of buds support high-res audio, AAC/SBC, and LDAC. They also share Bluetooth 5.3 dual connection. You get support for wired charging via USB-C and wireless charging up to 2.5 W on compatible Qi chargers. Nothing also announced ChatGPT integration for the new earbuds, allowing you to summon the AI assistant with a pinch gesture. The Ear has a per-bud playback rating of 8.5 hours without ANC, while the Ear A goes up to 9.5 hours. The Ear A case also has a slightly bigger battery, providing a total of 42.5 hours with the buds, while the Ear case packs just 40.5 hours. Nothing Ear will run a €149 price tag. Nothing Ear has been launched in India at 11,999 rupees, while Ear will be €99, which cost you 7,999 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.